This is your Donnelsville Elementary Announcements.
Good morning, Donnelsville. This is Mrs. Streeter broadcasting live from Donnelsville Elementary. Today is Thursday, April the 11th, 2013. Welcome to our substitutes today, Miss York, Miss Bicknell, Mrs. Engelbrecht, and Mrs. Fink. Hey, we do have a birthday to celebrate. David, hey, is your birthday actually today?
Yeah.
All right, and who's your teacher?
Mrs. Rogers.
All right, and how old are you today?
7.
All right, happy birthday. You have a great day today, okay? All right, let's get over here to Ella. Ella, can you tell us what's for lunch today?
Walking taco.
All right, remember, that's just your taco stuff in that bag with your Fritos, and but you don't walk around with it, right? All right. Hey, Connor, what about that weather today?
Rainy.
Can you hear it? Hey, I can hear it on the roof of the library here. It is pouring out there. I have a feeling we might be inside of recess, do you think? I don't think it's so. Hey, boys and girls, first graders, I know you heard this yesterday about Jump Rope for Heart, but our kindergartners, of course, weren't here, and we want to announce and thank everybody again who participated in Jump Rope for Heart by raising funds. We're actually going to jump rope in May in PE classes, but you guys already collected your donations and turned that money in right before spring break, and we raised $1,398.20 for the American Heart Association. So that money goes to them, that supports research and education, teaching us about having healthy hearts and figuring out, research that will help with medicines and things for people who don't have healthy hearts. We had our top 3 fundraisers. That's the kids who brought in the most money. We had in first place was Hunter Law, who's a kindergarten student in Mrs. Christian's class. He's a kindergarten A student. Our second and third, or what's tied for second place, are both kindergarten B students, so they are here today. We have Seth. Seth is in Mrs. Edmonston's class. Great job, Seth. And we have Olivia in Mrs. Mullins' kindergarten class that's here today. They both brought in $100 each. So congratulations to everybody. Thank you for participating. Thank you for bringing in hearts for our heart wall. We had 90 hearts up here on our heart wall. So that's wonderful. It's great to help somebody else that's less fortunate than ourselves. All right, thank you for joining us on another edition of the Donnelsville News. Have a great day. Remember, we're all here to learn.